Does Webull trade stock options using ticks? Webull does not use ticks as a standard measure for trading stock options. Instead, the platform relies on price increments and market standards defined by exchanges, which generally involve increments as small as 1 cent for most options. The term tick refers to the smallest price movement in a market, but Webull's trading tools do not frame their features or functionalities around this terminology specifically. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, I have put some links in the description box below to the brokers I use myself. Check them out. Let's continue with our video. Webull provides extensive tools for trading stock options, including features for constructing complex multi-leg strategies such as vertical spreads, straddles, and condors. These tools are designed with simplicity and user-friendliness in mind, appealing to both novice and intermediate traders. The platform includes intuitive graphs and calculators to help users visualize potential payoffs, making it easier to experiment with various option combinations. However, Webull lacks some advanced screening capabilities and automation tools found on more robust platforms, which could be limiting for high-frequency traders or those who rely on intricate analytics. A significant advantage of Webull for options traders is its commission-free structure for U.S.-listed stock and ETF options, reducing costs for frequent traders. Moreover, its inclusion of real-time market data and customizable charting tools enhances decision-making. However, some users report that Webull's options interface is less intuitive compared to competitors like thinkorswim or interactive brokers. The platform does not currently support API integration, which can be a drawback for those wanting to use third-party tools for analysis or algorithmic trading. One of the disadvantages of using Webull for options trading is its lack of educational resources tailored to complex strategies. Beginners may find themselves overwhelmed without a solid grasp of the fundamentals. Additionally, while Webull offers extended trading hours and technical analysis tools, the platform's charting capabilities do not yet match industry leaders. This can limit precision for traders relying on advanced indicators. In summary, Webull provides a cost-effective and straightforward approach to stock options trading, but lacks some of the advanced tools and resources needed by seasoned traders. The absence of tick-based trading or customization options for analytics may steer experienced investors toward platforms with more comprehensive features. For beginners and casual traders, however, Webull remains a strong contender due to its affordability and accessibility.